Namaskar friends, welcome to eSpirit World Channel. Dev Guru Brihaspati is known as one of the most important planets amongst the 9 planets. It is said that those who have a strong Brihaspati in their Kundli are deemed to have success in life. The day of Brihaspati is considered to be Thursday. It is said that there are certain things that, if done on a Thursday, will bring you luck and prosperity. Read on to know what they are. On a Thursday, get up early in the morning, preferably before sunrise, and after bathing, light a diya in front of Lord Vishnu. Apply a tika of kesar or saffron or turmeric on your forehead. This will even keep you cool in the hot weather. It is said that donating yellow colored things on a Thursday is said to bring you good luck and prosperity. If possible, keep a fast on Thursday. We will talk more about the benefits of a Thursday fast in this video later on. Offering Lord Shiva some yellow laddus on a Thursday will bring you good luck and prosperity. Praying to a banana tree will bring you good health. Make yellow sweets as prasad and donate yellow colored clothes. This apart, donating bananas on a Thursday too is said to be very auspicious. Offer a yellow colored garland to Lord Vishnu on Thursday. This will make the Lord happy. One should also try to wear yellow colored clothes on a Thursday. This will not only make you prosperous but keep your mood happy as well. If possible, don't consume salt on a Thursday. Even if you are not fasting, avoid having salt on a Thursday. Chant Om Namah Narayana mantra on a Thursday. This will give you happiness, peace, and prosperity. A Thursday fast is mostly observed to remove the obstacles of married life. Not only this, worshipping Goddess Lakshmi on that day improves the financial situation of a person. It is said that people who have a weak Guru, Jupiter in their Kundli, should observe this fast. Those who are facing trouble in getting married too should observe this fast. It is said that those who want to get married as soon as possible should observe this fast. Those who observe this fast should get up early morning to pray to Lord Brihaspati. The Thursday puja is done using yellow colored items, yellow flowers, gram dal, yellow sweet, yellow rice, etc. If keeping this fast for money, worship Lord Brihaspati with yellow colored things. On the day of the fast, an abhishek of Lord Jupiter should be done with saffron mixed in milk. Those who do the Thursday fast for marriage should also offer water to Lord Brihaspati along with yellow colored sweets. This fast is also observed for improving the financial situation of an individual. For this, a person, apart from observing a fast, should also donate a meal to the poor. So friends, hope you like this information. Write in the comment box and do not forget to share. Then we'll meet in the next video with a new topic. Thank you and goodbye.